after it, buddy. Get after it. Come on, little guy. We're almost there. Oh, he's a good boy. You rolled over. Oh, that's so exciting. That's so exciting, huh? You were maybe not so excited about it. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Who's a proud boy? Oh. Oh. Sawyer, don't eat the carpet. Good boy, Sawyer. Oh my gosh. Okay. Say bye-bye.